Hello, Adventure Fam. We're back at it now with the brand new Crown Zenith. We just got it the day before release date. So I feel so blessed and happy to show you guys what we're going to be pulling today. It comes with 4 packs, 2 promos, 4 packs and 2 promos. Okay, we have everything out of the box now. Clear. We have our sleeves ready just in case we get any good pulls. And let's go ahead and crack this bad boy open and see what we get. Alright guys, we're back and we got 4 awesome packs of the new Crown Zenith. And I'm so happy to show you guys what I'm about to pull today. So let's go on and go with pack number 1. Alright. Excuse me, I'm kind of new at opening these packs, so it gives me a little trouble. Alright guys, let's see what we get pack number 1. Let's see if we get that first pack magic. Ooh, Entei, nice. Time for the big reveal, and we got a Glaceon V. Wow, not that bad for the first pack. Cool. I had to go on and sleeve it up already. Don't want any of these scratches happening to that one. And I think this Entei is pretty cool as well. It's my first Entei, so I'm going to go ahead and throw that in the sleeve as well. Awesome, awesome. Let's go ahead and move on to pack number 2. Pack number 2. Let me see if I can have a little easier time opening it. You know, this whole pack thing is new to me. Like I said, opening it up is always a challenge. But we're going to get through it. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. And let's go. Greedent V. Cool. Had my first Greedent. Okay, friends. We're back with pack number 3. We're having a bunch of fun doing this. I'm so excited that I finally been able to find this, especially a day before it's time. I hope you're excited as I am for this Crown Zenith. It's really, really good. Okay, 4 to the front. And we got that electric energy. Nice. That's a energy switch. Young Goose. Cheer. Executor. Rockruff. Perlion. And we got a non-hollow. Alright, my friends. 4th and final pack. Let's hope for that last pack magic, because I really hope to get something good. It would be nice to pull that Arceus, especially that Garantina, Dialga, or Paluca. Any of those cards would be really nice to pull, and it would really make my day. Alright, let's see what we get for that last pack magic. That young goose is always showing his face in every pack. Ooh, nice, nice. And let's see what we get for our last. And it's a non-hollow Snorlax, which he actually looks pretty cool. He looks like a stuffed animal. Pretty nice. Alright guys, well, that's all I got for you today. We'll probably open up that next Pokemon Go box soon. Just want to thank you for your time. Just a quick little recap on some of the ones that we've got. So we've got and a promo. And here are some of the V's that we got. We only got 2 V's out of this box, but hey, 2 V's is better than no V's if you ask me. And the promo that came with the box. Well, thank you guys for your time. See you guys soon. Please leave a like and subscribe, guys. Until next time, see you on the next adventure.